Hi, it's Barbara Wagner from Coldwell Banker Prime Properties. I wanted to send you this quick video, introduce myself, and tell you some of the unique ways that I market properties to get them sold for top dollar in today's market. Now, I know a lot of agents will tell you that open houses don't sell properties, but I firmly disagree with that. There are many buyers out there that don't want to always be accompanied by an agent. They want to just go out on a Sunday afternoon and look at properties. So wouldn't it be nice if your property was one of the ones they stopped by at? The other thing I do is I always hire a professional photographer to take the photos. The professional photographer does a much better job. The pictures are bright, crisp, clean, high definition, and they are just absolutely beautiful, and they will definitely sell your home. I do a walkthrough video. I actually do a walkthrough video, and I've sent you a link to a sample walkthrough video that I did for another client whose home sold in 32 days. One of the other things I do is a community blog. I will blog about whatever community your home is in, and then I will put all the highlights of the area, the school district, any shops, everything I can put about the community on the page. I put it right on our community page, and I post it on my website, and I post it on all of my Facebook accounts and Twitter accounts. And at the bottom of the blog, I say, if you like this community and you are interested in living here, look at this beautiful home for sale. And I embed the video right there for them to take a look at it with a link to my website. Every property that I list gets its own unique website name. So if you are located at 123 Main Street, then you will have www.123mainstreet.com. So that's a great resource for you to be able to let people know about your property. We have something here at Coldwell Banker called Lead Router. Now, when someone pulls in front of your house, there's a sign that has them text a number. And when they text that number, they are immediately connected with your website, which gives them all the pictures, the walkthrough video, and a complete description, along with a way to contact me. Now, what that does, though, on the back end, is it sends me a text immediately, letting me know that someone is sitting in front of your home and they have just texted for information. I can now contact them and set up an appointment while it's fresh in their mind. I have 5 Facebook accounts, 3 Facebook pages, 6 Twitter accounts, a LinkedIn, and YouTube. And I make sure that everything is full of your property constantly. I make sure everybody out there in my world knows about your house for sale. That's very important because with today's online shopping, that's how people are really looking. They're looking on the internet first. So you want to be out there and you want to be in front of them as much as possible. So if you are interested in hearing about my 10-step marketing plan, because I've only scratched the surface here, I can give you some details. Give me a buzz at 518-466-7127. Or if you'd like to just find out what your property is worth in today's market, I'd be happy to help you with that as well. So give me a call. Thanks. Bye.